This is an ad.
What was that?
Maybe it's the legendary Big Tread. The car who haunts the woods and lives in a dark and spooky cave.
Are you scared of Big Tread, Piston?
No, of course not.
Hey, where did Jazzy and Piper go?
Do you think Big Tread got them?
Jazzy! Piper!
Okay, Piston. There's no such thing as Big Tread. There's no such thing as Big Tread. Ah! Oh no! Whoa!
Piston, you okay?
Oh, I've been better.
Hey, over here! We got lost!
We'll figure out a way to get you.
Piston, can you drive up that switchback trail and go through that cave to meet Jazzy and Piper?
Through the cave?
Piston, it's okay to be scared.
I am scared of Big Tread. I was worried you'd think I'm not brave enough to be a firebud.
Everyone gets scared, Piston. Even Firebuds. You can do this.
Okay, I'll try. Big Tread? No, I can do this.
There's Piston. And an owl?
The mysterious howl wasn't from Big Tread after all.
Take my tow line and ride it over.
Whoa!
Woohoo! You did it! Thanks, Piston.
Goodbye, Big Tread.